do this, girls. Let's do this, guys.
One, two, three, four. Clap your hands. One, two, three, four. Clap your hands.
So hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's Friday and yeah, ang ganda naman ng lighting. So got this my vanity mirror. I have also my lampshade and I had also my series lights. I have also a lampshade there for my fish, but as of now I'm gonna use this muna kasi binenta ko yung ring light ko at wala pang stock yung gusto kong ring light. Okay, so tonight, nagki-crave kasi ako ng pizza and the only thing na gusto ko kainin after ECQ is, yeah, this is ALBERTO'S. So, FYI lang guys, hindi po ito sponsored na video, but I'm very excited to eat this kasi nga nagki-crave ako and gusto ko din na i-share sa inyo to, and maybe if you're interested to buy, I'm gonna put their contact number sa caption or sa description box. Alright? So yeah guys, so ito yung binili namin. Meron siyang hot sauce, tsaka meron siyang tomato ketchup. So this is, I have yung tatlo, lahat na ito ay 9 inches. So these are quick melt na kind of pizza or kind of cheese na nilagay nila. And yung first item, so dadalhin ko na lang siya dito, ayan, para maganda yung lighting. So yung binili ko is, wow, so this is beef and mushroom. Tama ba? Yeah, this is beef and mushroom. This is one of my favorite talaga. Top 1. Wow, top 1. So ito naman yung second. This is, oh, so this is Garden Express. May ako ng green pepper, may din ako ng olives, pinya, tsaka tomato, and most especially onions. And lastly is, I don't know kung weird to sa inyo, but anyways, well, this is cookies and cheese. Ayan, so isa nito sa favorite ko, and guess what, ito yung masarap na sweet and salty, at saka if lalagay nyo siya ng ketchup, or yung favorite ko talaga na ilalagay dito is, guys, masarap siya pag nilagay mo siya ng hot sauce. The best talaga hot sauce. So, this is the cookies and cheese. Okay. Guys, so ngayon ay kakain na tayo ng pizza. So again, this is the beef and mushroom. Yan, ito yung beef and mushroom. Ito naman yung Garden Express. And ito naman ang favorite ko din, the cookies and cheese. Yay! So again, thanks to ALBERTO'S PIZZA for this. And again, this is not a sponsored vlog. So ko lang kumain. So, meron tayong tomato ketchup. At meron din tayong hot sauce. Pero, yung gagamitin ko lang talaga is my favorite hot sauce. So, yeah. So, are you ready to eat? So, kuha tayo ng isang ganito. Ano ba ito? Isa-slice, girl? Yun. Hirap naman ito. Sandali. So, ito muna yung kukuhanan ko. Let's do this, guys! talaga yung Alberto's. Mura lang po. Actually, they're affordable. So, ito naman yung Garden Express. I love green pepper. I love green pepper. I love tomatoes and I love olives. So, yan. Sarap ng kain, girl. Kakakain ko lang ng dinner, pero parang gutom pala yun. Ano ba yun? Ito na. Actually, maraming nagtatanong kasi sa akin, bakit nasasarapan ako ng cookies and cheese. Weird. At saka meron ding Oreo pinya. So, yung ano lang siya, is cookies din siya, pero may pinya. What? And some are asking me, or few of my friends are asking me, bakit daw masarap? Eh, parang weird, diba? Pero masarap siya, guys. Subukan nyo, order na, char. So, mas lalo ko siya na-appreciate when I put hot sauce. Kasi nga, I love hot and spicy. So, mahilig ako ng mga maanga. This is really cool kasi nga, para na rin siyang dessert. Diba? So cool. So, yan, may hot sauce na siya. So, most of the time, pinufol ko siya ng ganyan. Pinitsa pa siya, no? O pwede naman palang roll, pizza roll, or pwede na din siyang vegetable roll pala. So, of course, mix of sweetness and salty siya kasi yung cookies, sweet, diba? The salty siya kasi nga may cheese. Yung sister ko gusto niya na kumain ng pizza. Pero binabawalan ko pa siya kasi kailangan ko siyang i-vlog. Girl, taste muna, girl, ano? Makakakain ka rin. There's something best awaits you when you wait. Paano yun? So, alright guys, that's it for our mukbang vlog. It's just a short clip lang. Marami pa kasi akong ginagawa as of now, and I think hindi ko pa nakikita ko na yung mga concepts for my next videos. But still, I have to fulfill the promise that I had with one of the products that I really love the most. So I promised to my coach that I'm gonna do a vlog for that, just a review. So how did I gain weight, and how did I do my fitness, and how do I take a lot of healthy foods or healthy intakes na minsan tinatanong ng mga friends ko how, but I think those pizzas are not that so healthy. It's not a healthy intake, right? Yeah, if you want to purchase, you can contact the Cebu customer hotline 512-5998 or 920-9677522 or 0917-638-6168 for contact sa mga other branches wherever you are, kung nasa Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao ka. So again, thank you ALBERTO'S for this. Again, it's not a sponsored video. So I hope na nag-enjoy kayo at sana ay nagka-crave na rin kayo na pizza, especially ALBERTO'S. If you're in Cagayan City, you can contact. I'm gonna put the contact numbers below for free delivery. Alright, bye guys and have a blessed weekend!